Good morning, class. So, last time we discussed about the Mendeleev periodic table and how the Mendeleev started working on the periodic table. Okay, so let me remind again that Mendeleev periodic table is basically the arrangement of elements in an increasing order of their atomic mass. Okay, so you should know about this point that all elements are arranging in increasing order of their atomic masses. ठीक है, because after that this concept will be changed, so this is very important here, atomic masses. Now in the today's class we are going to discuss what are the achievements of the Mendeleev periodic table and what are the demerits of the Mendeleev periodic table. ठीक है, so when we are talking about the achievement of the Mendeleev periodic table, so first of all you should know that Mendeleev left some spaces when he was making his periodic table. ठीक है, we can take this as an achievement because at least he thought that in future some element will be discovered and they will come in the place of that. ठीक है, and for that what he has done, he used the Sanskrit term ika. ठीक है, ika it means before. ठीक है, like if any element comes before the before anything, then we will say the ika, and after that we will use the name of the particular element which is after of it. ठीक है, like ika aluminum is very common when you see the Mendeleev periodic table and all. Okay, so this is the basically the merit of that, and merit of the Mendeleev periodic table, that he left some spaces and he thought about the future productions, about the discovery of new elements. Okay, here when you will go through your book, you can see, you can read that paragraph. Okay, Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table. Instead of looking upon these gaps as a defect, Mendeleev Mendeleev boldly predicted the existence of some element that had not been discovered at that time. Okay, so it is a benefit, that it is the achievement that Mendeleev thought about the future also. Okay, so Mendeleev named them by a prefix, a Sanskrit numeral is called ika. ठीक है, to the name of predicting element in the same group. For instance, scandium, gallium and germanium, discovered later, have properties similar to the ika boron, ika aluminium, ika silicon respectively. So the term used, it is ika. So many times it asks in the exams also, the term is ika. Okay, so this is basically the Mendeleev periodic table achievement. When we are talking about the limitations of Mendeleev periodic table, we should know what are the limitations. Okay, limitation is that first of all, he said that all the elements are increasing order of their atomic masses. Okay, when he has given his periodic law, he said that all the elements are increasing order of their atomic masses. But when you see his periodic table minutely, then you find that there are some elements are there whose atomic mass is low, but they are earlier in the place of that element who have a higher atomic masses. ठीक है, yeah, those who have a higher atomic masses, sometimes they are before the element who have lower atomic masses. ठीक है, so if you will see the Mendeleev periodic table very minutely, then you can find this, there are some elements like that. Okay, so I will show you these kind of elements where these kind of things are. You can see that this is the Mendeleev periodic table, and you can see that there are some elements whose atomic masses are not in that particular sequence. Okay, like here you can see that let's see that difference between here cobalt and all. ठीक है, so you can see easily that this is actually, it should be before than that, but actually what he has done, cobalt and nickel के case में cobalt should be come later on. Like here you can see the difference. We just this is the difference. ठीक है, now if you will see the difference in cobalt atomic mass is 58.93 and nickel is 58.71. It means that nickel has lower atomic mass, it should become first, but here it is something different. It is cobalt which is come further. Okay, so actually this is the defect, because what the Mendeleev said that he arranged the all element in increasing order of their atomic masses, but now here the sequence is wrong. Okay, so there are some other elements are also there. Fine. The second thing, the second demerit of the Mendeleev periodic table is the position of hydrogen atom. Okay, so many times it is comes like the topic anomalous position of hydrogen. So when we are talking about the hydrogen is forming when hydrogen is forming the compound like oxide and all, so they are showing the property like which is in the group like Na, potassium and all. Okay, and this hydrogen also shows some resemblance with this group also. Okay, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Okay, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine can self make their own compounds like Cl2, Br2, and same like that hydrogen is also making compound H2. Okay, when we are talking about the valency of this compound, hydrogen can show plus one valency, hydrogen can show minus one valency. So so the position of hydrogen is not confirmed that why he has kept this hydrogen only in this first group. Okay, or definitely yes, the hydrogen is showing the resemblance with the first group, but also the hydrogen is showing the resemblance with the another one group which is called as the halo group right nowadays. So the position of hydrogen is also not very clear in this. Okay, so there are two defects of the Mendeleev periodic table. Here you can see the first is that when he arranged the atomic masses, we get some uh, problems, and when we are talking about the position of hydrogen atom, we get another one problem there. See, okay, so now let's see a book. Here you can say that uh, these are the defects of the Mendeleev periodic table which you have to solve, which you have to read. Fine. See, electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metal. Like alkali metal, hydrogen combines with halogens, oxygen, sulfur to form compound having similar formula. Okay. On the other hand, just like halogen, hydrogen also exists in the diatomic molecule, and it combines with metals and non-metals to form a covalent bond. So this is the difference which I am talking about. This is also called as the anomalous position of hydrogen. Okay, this is the one defect of the Mendeleev periodic table. Same as I told you, Mendeleev periodic law was saying that the elements were arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, but in some cases we can see the differences. Okay, third is the position of isotope. Okay, now I will clear you what is the isotope. So isotopes are those elements which have the same atomic numbers but they have the different mass numbers. Okay, for example, if I will talk about the isotopes of hydrogen, then the isotopes of hydrogen, it should be 1h1, 1h2 and 1h3. 1h3. Okay, so it means that these all isotope have the different atomic mass, so it should be on the periodic table, but when you see the periodic table, there is only the one hydrogen are mentioned there. Okay, so definitely according to the Mendeleev, what the Mendeleev said that all the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, but he hasn't explained about the concept of isotope, although at that time very few isotopes were discovered. Okay, so this is again the third demerit of the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so three Mendeleev periodic table you have to write it. Three Mendeleev defects you have to write it today in your classwork copy. The first, anomalous position of hydrogen. Second, atomic mass, and the third, the position of isotope.